Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my DogeCoin. I'm still holding the same amount. I think I actually sold about 10,000 DogeCoins. I forgot what it was, but it was for something else. I forgot what I sold it for, but I sold like $100 because I think I wanted to do something. I wanted to test something out, but still holding. I'm probably gonna buy back those 10,000 DogeCoins just so I can have over 550,000. But like I said, I'm holding this position forever. I'll give you guys a TA sometime today. I think I'll probably release it today or tomorrow. But I'm up currently 43%. I'm up $1,500. I do have currently about $5,000 on my own money. I think I put what, like 3,500 just from doing like a quick math and stuff. As of right now, it did retest the bottom of 008 and it's bouncing back up. Just looking at the chart right now, like not even, I'll do the TA later, right? But just looking at this naked chart, like it does look like it's gonna hit resistance here at the 0097 level and then probably dip down. It does depend on how big Bitcoin is gonna jump up. I still don't think it's correlating too much with Bitcoin. I mean, DogeCoin has never correlated too much with Bitcoin. If anything, it's done the complete opposite. If Bitcoin goes up, DogeCoin goes down. If DogeCoin goes up, that's when Bitcoin's going down, right? But recently, it has been they have been pretty adjacent to each other, right? As of right now, I will be doing some TA. Doggy, as far as like what, like the 3-month mark is up 265%, 1 month 200%. Yeah, like it's just a long-term hold for me. Like I don't think I'm gonna take out anything from DogeCoin for a while. Oh, sorry, I'm making my food and I'm just like microwaving and shit. That's why you guys can hear the sound. Looking at the naked chart, it does, like I said, it does look like it's gonna hit support or resistance, sorry, at the 0097 level and then dip down. That's just looking at the naked chart. I don't know what the actual TA says, which I'll release a little bit later today. But yeah, just updating you guys on my position. Still holding, still up $1,500. I'm not scared of it going back down to here or going back down to like, 0012, whatever, right? Like I'm still gonna hold. I'll probably just buy more. If you guys look at the week chart, I mean, it does look like it's building up to bounce back up all the way to the cent level. But on the month chart, it looks like it's building, a downward channel. Like that's just what it looks like, right? Like it created a new lower low here. It does look like the top is going to be created here. We're probably going to shoot up to 0097 and then bounce down. So quick update for you guys. I'll do a TA a little bit later. And there you go.